Take command of the road in the 2012 Ford F-350. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.